How to open account in iHERB. Open a new browser and go to iHERB.com, or you can click my affiliate link below to start. Once you can see the iHERB page, move your mouse to the right top corner and click Sign In. Choose the last one, Create My Account, and this is the page you will see. Put in your phone number and you can choose to receive SMS updates or not from iHERB. And then put in your email address, choose your country or region and choose your language. Once done, click Next. Create a password for this. Check on to receive marketing offers by email or not. It's up to you. You can check on to receive rewards email or not. This is also up to you. You can change later too if you change your mind. The last thing you must check on is to make sure you are over 18 years old and agree with the terms and read the privacy policy. After done, and click Create My Account. You will see 6-digit code being sent to your mobile phone. And you can put in the 6-digit here and press Submit. Just in case you don't get the 6-digit, you can press the resend code in 16 seconds and then you will receive a new set of code. That's it. Your iHERB account is open and then ready to use. To learn more about how to browse through iHERB, check out the video here to learn more. To learn how to gain more rebates and make commission by referring friends and family to iHERB, click here. That's all you need for today.